Hi, Jamie back again to talk about reading documents and eHRAF world cultures. To get to documents the thousands of documents of ethnographic sources in this database about all of the cultures, find documents on the homepage of the database. This will be at the bottom of the screen if you are on a portrait style device. It will be at the top if you are on a landscape style device. You're going to spend most of your time using the search document list search bar at the top here. You can also turn on filters as you need to change the view and sort the documents in different ways. But the search bar is most valuable here. This is kind of like it's not quite like a Google search, right? But it is a search that's going to look for your search terms in all of the documents available, all of the sources they have here. So you want to search this with keywords, just 1 or 2 words at a time. Don't search it with a whole eloquent question. Just search 1 or 2 terms, okay? This might look like searching polyandry if you're searching for that type of marriage. That would then show you the cultures that have been studied, a list of documents. You could go look at more culture information and look at the documents as well to learn more about polyandry in specific cultures. You could also try different terms for different identity types. Maybe we look up gender, maybe we look up LGBTQ. Maybe we are interested in social status or wealth or caste or like rank in society, right? And other aspects of culture as well could include health or medicine, education, climate change, food security, migration, rituals, right? Lots of ways to do your ethnographic research, your anthropology research, but this is where you're going to search those terms. When the results show up, it means your term was either in the title of the source, the abstract of the source, or somewhere in the document itself. You can view it again as a list view, or you can do this cards view that they have. Either way works. Do what works for you. Pay attention to the type of source it is. Maybe you're interested in finding a specific author. You could search by author name if you know someone you want to look up. And then it's going to tell you the culture that it's studying, as well as like the region that the culture is located. And the abstract. The abstract is important. Read through the abstract, decide if it's something you want to pursue, and then click on full context to actually access the document. We're not there yet. We're close. We're on the document like landing page where you'll now see ways to navigate through the document. So there's a previous or next option if you want to just flip through the pages of the source. There's also a table of contents. I recommend using this, expanding the body section if you can, and then clicking into the sections that make most sense to you based on what you're trying to research. You'll probably have to agree to the terms and conditions agreement before you are able to actually view the document. But when you do, it will look like this. It's basically, it's not like a copy of an old letter or something, right? It's text in the database, and they've tagged each paragraph with the subjects that the paragraph is about. You'll also see the Cite button, which is awesome for getting a reference of this document. And then you'll notice there are these folders on the side of the paragraph as well. This is how you would save each paragraph to your research if you have an account in this database. So if you're interested, create an account. If not, that's okay. I think you can skip it. As a reminder, the other way you can get to documents is from a culture-specific profile page, and there's the document section you may remember from another video. This one you can't sort and search, but it is just reflecting all of the research documents available on this particular culture. So this one you just have to scroll through, look at the titles that look good, and scroll down to the very bottom to get a scroll bar that will let you scroll across the page to read like the full title if you need to, and to look at the publication date if you need to as well. Quick note on publication date, anthropology research goes way back in time, so don't feel like you need to limit to like the last 5 years of research. We talked about saving things. Use the Cite button. You can copy and save the URL, or you can create an account. And as always, please reach out as you're using this database. We'd love to hear how things are going. Thanks.